Well, it's snowboard season and time to outfit my cross track with a board rack. I put a cargo rack on my newest cross track, and I don't really want to take it off. I like the style and the function of this rack and the time spent putting it on. I've ordered a THULE snowboard rack. I just got one, picked it up at our local Subaru dealer. I'm going to unbox it and see what we can do. Well, here it is, my THULE universal flat top snowboard rack. And I'll pull out one of the racks. First thing I notice is that it's a good, slim, sleek size. So you simply just turn them this way and this way, and depending on which direction you want it mounted, you could turn them 180 degrees in the other direction. And this is the part that intrigued me. This strap comes over like this and tightens down, so there is not a big bulky section like this rack says it will hold up to 4 snowboards. Yeah, that's beautiful. I'll read over the directions and then proceed to mount it. Should be pretty simple. So basically, I turn both of these facing the same direction, and then I unscrew this, not so it just comes off. Unscrewed it enough to where it has enough reach to go around the bar. I'm putting the thumb screws toward the back, and I make sure that the opening side on the front and the back is in the same place. Once I have it all centered, I very carefully bring it up to level and start tightening these thumb screws on the outside. Get that one a little snug, move over, go back and forth and snug them up. Because I'm mounting on this round bar, I'm being extra careful to really get in here and snug these things up tight so they don't rock back and forth. That seems to work perfectly. And here's the best and most exciting part of this SpeedLink system is that because they use just that rubber binding going underneath, I'm able to snake it under my wind foil with hardly any interruption at all, and just no modification, just tight on there right there. Be sure to put your openings both on the same side. Turn of this key here locks in your thumb screws and makes it so you cannot remove it. And of course, the key here to lock your boards in. I'm going to put a board up on the rack for the first time, so I was restricted by where the cargo rack was, where I put the board rack at. I need to be really careful about the hatchback so it doesn't make contact with the board. So I want to put it up with the hatchback up, and that way I know I'm not going to make contact when I open the hatchback, and that's pretty good. Seems like a long ways up there, but if you saw in my video, I have a door step. Step on like this, and I can move the board all the way over, or if I'm just by myself, put it right on the side. That is a easy do-it-yourself project that took me 20 minutes to put these on. They're secure, they're locked down, it looks good. I'm really surprised about the straps underneath, how they fit underneath my windshield. I'm really